In just a few minutes, you will witness the most incredible machines in the world. If you love precision, power, and performance, don't take your eyes off the screen. The Claus Xerion 3300 VC Octopus is a true all-around performer. This powerhouse tractor showcases its impressive versatility as it works along a ditch, demonstrating its unique capabilities. With a cab that rotates 180 degrees, powerful engine, and range of adaptable tools make light work of any task, whether it's leveling a ditch or clearing an area. This octopus of agricultural machinery transforms labor-intensive jobs into efficient, precise tasks with ease. The Libra P995 Latronic Pontoon Excavator is a true powerhouse in modern heavy equipment, weighing in at around 360 tons. Mounted on the newly designed MR40 pontoon with support legs, it measures 197 feet in length and 59 feet in width, with walls standing 13 feet tall. Powered by a 1,600 kW MTU diesel engine, this giant features a 53-ton monoblock boom, a 36-foot arm, and a spacious 36-foot backhoe bucket. With this setup, it can achieve a maximum digging depth of 74 feet. This Flemish tulip harvester is here to challenge harvesting tulip bulbs. With its double grid system, it doesn't just harvest but expertly preserves the tulip bulbs in the sandy soils of Drenthe. It's not merely harvesting. It's a comprehensive cleaning process where each bulb gets VIP treatment. Featuring a high-performance auger, an upgraded discharge chute, reinforced housing, and adjustable axles, it ensures fast, efficient transport to large storage bins. The Dutchman is built for those who demand precision and speed when transplanting trees. Its three curved blades effortlessly cut through the soil, wrapping around the root system and forming a perfect clump of soil. Thanks to hydraulic control, the movement is smooth and fast, while the blade design minimizes pressure on the roots, completely eliminating the risk of damage. Mulag is renowned for high performance and innovative technology in road and rail equipment. They've now introduced a combination of 3 units mounted on a single vehicle with a working range of 25.5 feet. These versatile Mulag products offer a wide range of functions with innovative workheads and attachments, including cleaning heads for solar panels, street lights, tunnels, and bus stops, high-level tree trimming, sowing heads, weed brushes, ditch cleaners, garbage disposals, and more. Meet the Damcon KGS Kosyure, your ultimate partner for pruning cone-shaped shrubs with precision and speed. Built with a dependable motor and adjustable blades, it tackles even the thickest greenery with ease. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, this powerhouse tool delivers flawless shaping and promotes healthy growth, making it a must-have for every serious gardener. Now this is engineering on a whole new level. The bucket wheel excavator is a true giant in the world of coal mining. More than just impressive, it's downright mesmerizing to watch in action. With its massive rotating wheel lined with powerful buckets, it effortlessly slices through coal seams and hauls away tons of material in a single, seamless motion. Watching it in action is like witnessing an awe-inspiring display of power and precision. Clearing is efficiently performed with the Merry Pet planer of the new RT400MG model. After the Merry Crusher has removed all vegetation, the auger leveler is used for profiling. Mounted on a 3-point hitch and operated with a farm tractor, this equipment is ideal for clearing new bogs and maintaining old ones. Additionally, it can be used to cultivate agricultural fields in wetlands. Preparatory cutters are effective for cutting down bog brush, stumps, and snags. The bucket wheel excavator transforms coal mining into a full-scale spectacle. Every moment packed with power and precision of modern engineering. Engine up to 345 horsepower and armed with a cutting system that spans an incredible 11.5 feet, the Komatsu powers through even the toughest rock formations with ease. With a capacity of up to 55,000 pounds per hour, along with automatic pressure control and an integrated dust removal system, keep working conditions clean and optimal. This harvester carefully lifts peas from the soil, gently separating them from stems and leaves. Its integrated cleaning system sorts the peas during harvesting, reducing waste and helping you get the most from every pass through the field. How do you turn a massive heap of feed into a 5-star buffet for livestock? With room for 40 cubic meters of feed, it mixes everything into a perfectly blended meal, thanks to its 3 double augers that churn through even the toughest materials. For hydraulic doors then release the feed with the smoothness of a bartender pouring drinks on a Friday night. And with its dual axle setup, this powerhouse stays stable and reliable, ready to perform day after day, without missing a beat. Check out the Alcon EC 6000 series, a powerhouse combo machine that trims and lines in one go. This giant rig features a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner, allowing it to dig and pave simultaneously. It's perfect for high-precision, high-volume channel lining, minimizing concrete waste, while continuously lining canals and riverbeds. With its diesel-electric power system, it delivers unmatched accuracy compared to standard excavators. The 4.0 Enduro screening combine from Dewulf has quickly become a major player in the self-propelled combine market. With a 2-section hopper offering a comfortable capacity of 9 tons, it stands as the largest in its market segment. The Enduro delivers excellent traction, even in the toughest conditions. Additionally, its ergonomics and user-friendly design make it one of the clearest and easiest machines to operate, ensuring maximum efficiency and ease for operators inside the cab. The high-strength milling drum processes facades with millimeter-perfect precision, creating a flawless surface. This attachment is perfect for restoring historic buildings, dismantling concrete, and even tackling intricate architectural forms with ease. With this innovative method, grape bunches receive individualized attention, almost as if they were stars on stage. It's not just about protection. It's a guarantee that your grapes will stay healthy and delicious. Gone are the days of mass treatments. Now, every fruit gets the care and protection it deserves at the highest level. Komatsu has just unveiled a remarkable piece of equipment, the new MC51 continuous hardwood miner. This model makes rock crushing look effortless, offering both precision and power. What sets it apart is its all-electric, zero-emission system, making it not just efficient, but also environmentally friendly. Thanks to DinoCut technology, the MC51 can slice rock within just 2.16 inches of the target, allowing operators to work from a safe distance. The new Wallenstein WP 525 wood splitter packs serious power in a compact, towable design. Its three-sided wedge uses gravity and a smart contour shape to split wood with ease. A two-stage system and auto-return valve boost speed and efficiency. With a 1,200 pounds hydraulic winch and stabilizer to prevent log twisting, it's built for tough jobs. Highway-ready with full lighting, it's the ultimate log-splitting solution on wheels. The Wilson Supermove is a self-loading cart built to make round bale handling effortless. Just steer it toward a bale, and the system automatically grabs and loads it, no manual lifting required. Its rugged build and heavy-duty tires handle rough terrain with ease, while the durable frame ensures long-lasting performance even with constant, heavy use. The GDT 290, equipped with powerful hydraulic shears, demolishes concrete and metal like they're nothing but cardboard. Its unique design gives the operator complete control, allowing for precise maneuvering throughout the demolition process. This ensures safety and efficiency, even in the toughest conditions. The Ochre Combi compact paving machine is a truck-mounted unit designed for paving, seal coating, bituminous binder application, lining, adhesion course, and fogging. It comes equipped with a bituminous binder tank, a spraying system, an aggregate chamber, and an onboard metering system. This design is highly efficient, with a spraying width of up to 14.4 feet, thanks to computer-controlled telescopic arms, ensuring precision and versatility in various tasks. The new John Deere 8000 series of self-propelled forage harvesters are built to help you produce higher quality silage with greater efficiency. Featuring the new ProStream crop feeding system and a redesigned chopping drum. The functional, comfortable cab offers a panoramic view, ample space, and intuitive controls for easier operation. With the Intelligent Harvest Lab 3000 system, it measures and documents dry weight and component content in real time, ensuring accurate silage quality analysis. The Grove TM500 hydraulic truck crane is a true powerhouse at the cement plant. With the ability to lift everything, from massive concrete blocks to heavy construction rebar, this crane boasts a remarkable lifting capacity of 150 tons. Its boom can extend up to an impressive 262 feet, making it one of the most versatile machines on site. The Yanmar GT1 is a reliable, eco-friendly, and hard-working hand tractor, thanks to advanced engine technology developed and tested by the company's R&D department in Japan. Designed to make your farming tasks easier, the GT1 is built from special ductile cast iron, ensuring it lasts longer. Additionally, it's equipped with an oil seal and waterproof sealing cover, providing extra protection and making it highly durable, so you don't have to worry about easy damage. Ochre has just launched a self-propelled, automatic feeder for 280 cows on farms. Using advanced GPS and RTK systems, Ochre navigates the farm independently, efficiently collecting and distributing feed. With built-in loading and weighing modules, it calculates the precise mix of grass, corn, supplements, and concentrates. The machine's mixing and chopping speeds are adjustable to ensure a consistent, palatable feed. Powered by a 56 horsepower diesel engine, it can operate continuously for a week. The combination of the TMK 300 tree shears and the John Deere 60G swing boom was a perfect solution for this tree removal job near a fence. The pivoting function of the swing boom allowed the grab to be precisely positioned even in tight spots. The TMK 300 shears, known for their leaf and brush clearing capabilities. This specialized equipment really demonstrated how advanced machinery can make challenging work much easier and safer. Meet the BaleLiner from TubeLine, your all-in-one solution for round bale handling. This powerful machine streamlines the entire process, loading, wrapping, and transporting bales with ease. Its self-loading conveyor holds up to 8 bales, cutting down your workload and saving valuable time. All you need is one tractor, the BaleLiner takes care of the rest. It's a game changer that turns hard work into hassle-free efficiency.
Did you enjoy this video? Don't forget to subscribe now so you won't miss out on more awesome content. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, feedback, or just say hi. Hit like and share if you enjoyed it. Thank you for your amazing support.